Hello. How's everybody doing? Looking like we can go over to the full screen real quick. Um wow, we kind of made this 25,486 and pumped off to the moon. 25.7 back to all-time highs. Back to all-time highs. Let's see what we have above on the 5-minute. Man, oh man, look at the 15-minute. Cleared out this gap here. Wow, that was a straight run up on the 15. Hitting this pivot, rejecting this pivot, 25,741. Let's look at economic news real quick. See what we got going on before market opens in about 10 minutes. Let's see. All right. Thursday, January 22nd, we got core PCE at 10 a.m. News event. Trading. Some firms won't allow you to trade during that time frame. So, just pay attention to the time. I'll call it out for you. I'll be on. So, good morning. I think that some of the new things that I have going on. Good morning, 60-hour trader. And Miss K911. Hello. But we'll go back to no trade and check out the full screen. I'm gonna sit here and hang out for a bit, but put some new things in my my OBS that I'm memorizing. You see a lot of gaps on the way back down, so this could top off. Could, keyword could. Don't be fooled. Let me put the full screen down. Let's look at the ES. Actually, before we do that, oh yeah, check that out. Wow, ES has a gap up here. We're just hitting underneath. We can't seem to get through it. Cannot seem to get through it. Let's put a trend-based Fibonacci retracement. See where this could go. I mean, this can go all the way up to 6,986 on the ES. But I'm not feeling bullish. Not sure what that is, but let's go to gold. Check out gold. Remember, I drew a Fibonacci trend on this one on the higher time frame. Goodness, gold almost hit 4,904. Still can. Still can. And silver, let's look at silver. What's silver doing this morning? Just continuing to reject 95, 87-ish. So we could see higher. Could push up to 100. They want that double triple digit. So and back over to the NQ. Let me close my full screen. All right. Anybody want to test it out? I actually added a couple more memes. Um, I think we have a bear and a bull up there. If you exclamation either one of those, check it out. Got Rocky and Beefcake. Look at Beefcake go. All right. And I still, the NQ, I wouldn't, I want to see some of these gaps get filled all the way back to 25,433. Retest previous close, I think. 25,471. Like that idea. Got about 5 minutes before we get started here. Everybody, you hear me pretty good? Mic coming in clean, loud and clear. Hmm. Hmm. PCEs today. Gonna be a big mover. Remind me to get out of that trade. Stay off the charts in that particular case. All right, we're working on the Lucid today. We're gonna work on that. First gap down here at 25,691. I've got a pivot above. And just wanted to shoot up 20 points, 25 points in 2 minutes. Right back up to this pivot. All right. What's the settlement today? Dumped off. We got market open. Sheesh. I put one in there for that. We are open for business. There we go. First gap, 25,689.75. I called that one out. Yeah, I think a VWAP test is warranted at some point. Still rejecting this price at 69.558 on the ES. In a trade. We turn around here. I really think a VWAP test is what we could get to. Didn't want to push through. Silver just popped up. 94. Gold's on the way up. Retesting that 200 EMA. If we get back to the 20. Nowhere we go.
Stop.
I think we try for this gap. We got another gap below. We got the mean right here. Let's see if we can't make that happen. Finding support on the VWAP. Retest the 200. Still feeling lower in this thing. Trade count. Trade profitable. So the trade was profitable. Heavy, looking heavy. And then
Order filled.
all right. There you go. Done for the day. 3 trades. Trade count. Trade. Profitable. Up 2,377 on the day. Thank you for watching. Day 3 of trading a Lucid. Took 1 loss, so I took three hits there at the open for 15 points each. Took 1 loss. And so profit trades $3,430. One losing trade is $1,000. I feel like we're gonna go a little bit lower here. Right back to the VWAP. It's all you need. It's truly all you need. Yeah, I think the NQ is a little bit salty that they aren't at quite ATH yet. So there's a possibility that no trade. There's a possibility that NQ could want to go back up there real fast, but they probably then the Nasdaq knows it can reach all-time highs in a blink. So it's not even probably worried about that. It's just trying to buy, get get situated in order for it to all come together. Because we know here on the NQ they want all-time high like the YM, RTY, and ES. So all right, well, it's currently 9:43. We're gonna get news here in about 15. I'll hang out with you guys for the news event. See if we can't watch that all together here. Okay, it's bouncing off the mean. So that was the mean price right here, 25,613.25, and that was for the session. So all right. Quick update. Currently in the funded 150K. Just a quick update for today, $2,378. 3 minimum profit days. Today was day 3 consistency goal met. Total profit 6,476. So all right, let's stay on it. I got 2 more days left. It's tomorrow and Monday. We got back at the mean. That was mean of them to test it and come back to it. We got a gap down here at 25,591. Got 13 minutes until for PCE. This thing could dump off further. We'll see. We will see. All right, so we are just falling down here. Look, it's previous day open. 25,470, calling that out early. Coming up on previous day open. Close, sorry. It's a gap. There's a gap right there, so 25,529. Well, we still got news in about 10 minutes. So, if you're trading a TPT account, you gotta be out 1 minute before, during, and after. No trade. Just waiting for this news. Waiting for the news. That's about it. Trade count. Algorithms are on. Let's watch this. There we go. There we go. They got the algorithms on, watching core PCE price index. And we'll see if we can't maybe go lower. I have a feeling we're gonna go a bit lower. We'll see. See if we can't get some cool news on that. See if we can't get the poll going. Figured out this yes had gap that they cleared out. All right, we gotta go about 17 seconds. Here we go. 17 seconds. Get the charts ready. 3, 2, 1, and they should hit. Nothing. Nada. Nothing. Oh. These algos are still flowing. Nothing there on the algo. No numbers yet. There we go. 0.2%. That's flat across the board. Okay. 0.2%. Forecasted 0.1. Personal income month over month. 0.1%. We got personal spending 0.5%. PCE 0.2%. Pretty flat, pretty normal, pretty as expected. Well, let me get your attention real quick. Thank you so much for joining. We have core PCE this morning, a little bit bearish to start, pulling down. So, but much appreciated. Thank you for joining me. I'm up $2,300 for the day. I don't know what else to say. I was only good for the first like 5 minutes. Not even a dopamine hit. 2,300, 2,400. So, gotta stick in that range. Tomorrow again, and then Monday, and then I'll be able to make a payout. So, I'm gonna edit some videos, and I hope you have a great day. Stay green. The gaps, you know, could have played the gaps all morning long, all the way down. If you're scalping, but I was only looking for about 15 points. So took one loser, 2 wins. That's a good day. I even think I got filled on that setup. Good morning, Matt. So you can enable the DVR is enabled, so you can rewind and watch my trades. Took it in the first part of the morning. So, but I'm gonna take off the stream, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. I'll be here tomorrow doing the same thing, and then hopefully Monday we can possibly make a withdrawal. That'd be nice. So off of Lucid. You have a great day. Peace.
Hello.
Hello.
Did you enjoy the stream?
I did. Thank you for watching.
Cash beats on the beat. Late shift, blue light, all night. TWB on. If you're still here, you're part of the song. Think with bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the bubbles blow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Hey. Think with bookmaps, trust that chat. Slow control, no FOMO, Ryan Mac teach us that. If you're here for the climb, not just the hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for this. London sky dark, but the chat run bright. Moms, dads, grinders, all online tonight. ES too slow, NQ trying to steal the show. We just watch tape, keep the risk real or the flow. Listen and sing with me on a beat. Cause trades a schizo, then it dumps back down. GG community, scam a Ponzi. I love trading, smash the light. From first bell ring to the late night close. Same core crew, yeah, everybody knows. Think with bookmaps, follow that flow. Alex on stream while the candles glow. TWB fam checking in each night. Same small dream of getting this right. Think with bookmaps, trust that data, slow control, no FOMO. If you're here for the climb, not just a hit. Pull up a chair, yeah, you're built for